Hey Swarm! Welcome back to the Hive. Have you ever wondered how realistic the technologies in science fiction are and how close we are to developing them, if at all? What about how sustainable they are? Could these amazing technologies help reduce our carbon footprint? Today, with a few assumptions, we take a look at some of the more well-known tech from our favorite sci-fi. The Star Wars saga, one of the biggest franchises in history, is ending. The parallels from this space battle to our fight against climate change are eerily similar. The villains, heroes, battles, and chance for complete annihilation are something straight out of a sci-fi flick. But what if that ancient technology from a galaxy far away could help? The lightsaber, a luminescent blade of magnetically contained plasma wielded by the Jedi and Sith, could have a huge potential, not only for a weapon, but a power source. The lightsaber contains a kyber crystal that is mined from exotic locations, which would make up the bulk of the construction carbon footprint. Including the construction of the metal hilt, we estimate manufacturing would emit 2,875 pounds of CO2 into the atmosphere. We know Qui-Gon's lightsaber cut through the steel blast doors in Episode 1, so taking the same energy required for an oxyacetylene torch over the length of the blade, we can work out roughly what energy is emitted. The power produced from the lightsaber is a whopping 514.3 megawatt hours over its entire lifetime. That is a ridiculously high efficiency and would power the average American household for 50 years. We've included a link to our article for more details on these assumptions. Any fans of Marty McFly and Doc Brown? The iconic DeLorean from Back to the Future can travel through time on as little as 1.21 gigawatts of energy. Taking the lifetime carbon footprint of the vehicle, original plutonium-fueled nuclear reactor, and later additional Mr. Fusion, we come out with over 100 tons of CO2 emissions. But considering every time they jump through time, the DeLorean saves 816 tons of CO2 by not using any fossil fuels, this is another highly efficient machine. Another popular sci-fi franchise is Star Trek. The incredible technology used for vessel propulsion is a matter-antimatter warp drive. It works by colliding matter and antimatter that releases enormous amounts of energy to power the half-mile-long starships. And the exciting news is, this technology actually may not be that far away, as scientists are currently testing these reactions. Antimatter created inside particle accelerators has powered a light bulb for 3 minutes, which could revolutionize energy once they work out how to scale it. Gathering or creating the antimatter will be our problem. But the science behind this incredible energy could make it the most efficient power source available. Venturing into the superhero world of the Avengers, the original Iron Man suit was described to power itself from Tony Stark's chest reactor at 3 gigajoules per second, or 3 million kilowatts. By the third Iron Man movie, the Mark 42 suit could almost fully recharge itself from a standard wall socket overnight. This increased efficiency is incredible, considering other upgrades to the jet boots, repulsor rays, and the rest of the cybernetic equipment. Fingers crossed it is not just dreamt about in comic books. Our brightest minds need to start working on making these fictional technologies a reality, so we know the potential of our future is sustainable. At the very least, create a baby Yoda. We all need one. What other of your favorite sci-fi gadgets can we examine? Let us know in the comments. Set your sonic screwdrivers to subscribe and check out some of the links for more on sci-fi sustainability. See you next time back in the Hive.